Hello and welcome to the Profit Room. I will do a quick analysis, a quick recording on the trades that we took live here today in the Profit Room. So Walmart, can't forget about Walmart. Walmart, we traded yesterday. We also took the trade bearish today, and a very basic concept with this one is the gap fill. So we took it basically on the notion that this will fill the gap today because it is a nice continuation from yesterday. And so far, as you can see here, it is starting to completely fill the gap. Our first target here was this basically swing high upper wick. And we can go to an intraday time frame like a 15-minute chart. And if we look towards the left where that gap area is, you will start to see that is starting to fill as we look right now. We also had a few other trades. So this is our Walmart trade. We took this short. We took shop short as well this morning, as well as SLCA. So shop, definitely a professional type of trade. The spread, very wide. However, the analysis was basically for it to go to 134.20. We can also look on the daily and we can see that support 134.11 was the last lower wick, and basically that was target. SLCA was more of a bonus type of trade, nice and bearish. We took a short at 27 exactly, and we pretty much rolled this to the nearest support 26, and right now you can see this holding 26. This is the after hours market recap. We like to provide probably 30 minutes after the market close. We would like to see exactly how the market closed to better prepare ourselves for the next trading day. Now, FOMC occurred today at 2 p.m. What is FOMC? Well, it's the most recent Fed meetings providing in-depth insight into the economic and financial conditions that influence their vote on where exactly to set the interest rate. To get a more detailed analysis on exactly what was said during the meetings, you can go to Yahoo Finance, and they also provide an insight as well there. We can check back in with the SPY. You can see the last 2 hours, basically a sell-off after the meeting. So the SPY pretty much closed red, and that's pretty much reflective across most of the stocks. You have Apple. Apple was once green today, and last 2 hours sell-off, and that is also a strategy in itself. Some day traders will come back by the end of the day. They know generally the tone of the direction, up or down. You can trade the last 2 hours and make some good, decent money here. So, for example, Apple's high 174 and it went to 171. That's basically $3 a share. You trade in $1,000 increments, or $1,000 share lots. That's $3,000 in that span of time. That's just 2 hours. The more money you have, the more money you can definitely make in order to capitalize on that. Less money, you can also trade options and make just as much. Another thing I like to do is go over the actual tracking sheet that we do provide. We started tracking since the day we opened the chat room. Is really for transparency, and at times we'll back it up with our P&L. We'll back it up with video analysis showing the P&L. It's really just to be as transparent as we possibly can. And with this, everyone controls their own share size. So we understand that there are different accounts, meaning different amounts in terms of the money people have to day trade. Not everyone have that capital, and we're highly aware of that. And we are very cautious of exactly the kind of stops we provide, because we do not want anyone to get hurt in any trade. So very narrow risk, 20 cents if we do lose on something, 10 cents, 15 cents. But notice when we win, we pretty much win big. It's a solid move, $1 per share, 30 cents. So just remember, generally Ernest and I, we trade in 1,000 share increments. Give or take, it depends on the stock, we will do more. So today we traded shop, SLCA, and Walmart twice. That is definitely reflective in the P&L. Another thing, we can scroll down on the same P&L sheet. We also provide swing trades, right? Swing trades for those that cannot day trade. So swing trade, generally the holding time is between 3 days to a week to 2 weeks, etc. And we provide futures as well as forex. So futures, you get that 7-point moves. Forex over like 200 pips. The list goes on, and you can see the percentage and the history here. So for 12%, 8% gains, and these are our swing trade alerts. GNC provided last week, bonus alert. That's 33% given in 2 days. Where you bought, where you sold. So for solid trades, for solid analysis, for solid alerts, entries, exits, most important stop loss, you can join our trading team at theprofitroom.com.